I tell you that an Apple smartphone, small in size but just as powerful, fits your pocket, exists, you'd be surprised. Hey guys, this is Shaumit and today I'm talking about the iPhone 12 mini. So grab up your popcorn and let's get started. Apple has made the packaging much compact and smaller by claiming that they are trying to be eco-friendly. But does this affect the quality and the quantity of the product? We will see. When we open the box and have a look inside, the first thing we notice is of course the handset itself, which is of 5.18 inches and weighs about 133 grams. Keeping the handset aside, let's dive deeper into the box. Surprise, surprise, surprise! You don't find a charger in the box. You will have to spend another 5000 INR to buy a fast charger. PS, I already got it. Starting off with the design, the iPhone 12 mini, just like a standard iPhone 12, comes with a metal body. It has the signature Apple look with sleek and stylish design with a glossy glass back. It has Apple's new ceramic shield material that promises 4 times improved shatter resistance. Up on the screen is the button layout. The iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4-inch 4K OLED Super Retina XDR display. The iPhone 12 mini display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. And it has a max brightness of 1200 nits on HDR and comes with true tone white colors and haptic touch. iPhone 12 mini is packed with an A14 Bionic chipset and a next generation neural engine. It is powered by iOS 14, which is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system. Up on the screen are some sensors available on this phone. This iPhone is capable of FaceTime video calling at 1080p over cellular or Wi-Fi, and voice over LTE and Wi-Fi calling are also available. It is enabled by a true depth camera for facial recognition, and when we compare it with iPhone 11, they both take pretty much the same time to get unlocked. This phone has an IP68 water resistance rating and can go underwater for a maximum depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes. I played Call of Duty on this iPhone for quite some time and the performance was really smooth and fast. The HDR display and A14 Bionic chipset combines to provide a really great gaming experience. The process for registering the face was similar to the previous iPhones, only this time it was fast if compared. It has 12 megapixel ultra-wide and wide cameras with 2x optical zoom out and 5 times digital zoom, and the ever-essential portrait mode with depth control. It has also smart HDR3 and auto cinematic video and image stabilization. The front cameras comes with HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 30 fps and 4K recording up to 60 fps, as well as slow motion video support for 1080p at 120 fps. Up on the screen are some camera samples. Now you would assume a phone with such hefty features would struggle with power and battery, but such is not the case for the iPhone 12 mini, as it has a video playback time of 15 to 17 hours and it can stream up to 10 hours and audio playback of 50 to 65 hours. All this is enabled by a premium quality lithium-ion battery which has MagSafe wireless charging up to 7.5 watt. The fast charger, which is sold separately, can charge 50% of the battery in a matter of 30 minutes with a 20 watt adapter or higher. This 20 watt adapter is retailing on the Apple's official site for 1900 rupees. This is the 128GB variant of this iPhone, which I bought from the Apple's official site for a price of 74,500 rupees. So, I would like to conclude by giving you the final verdict. The iPhone 12 mini is definitely a remarkable piece of tech which is highly compact with no cutback in its quality. Apple once again proved themselves with their product, having fit with all the features of iPhone 12 in a smaller body, and that too at a feasible price. I would like to rate it 8 on 10 on the basis of my analysis and experience. Alright folks, that's it for this video. Be on a lookout for the next video which will drop soon. Don't forget to watch my other videos by clicking on the card above. This is Shaumit Seth signing off.